So in this video, I'm going to show you how to transform this boring and simple title slide into this stylized slide. First, I'm going to go ahead and create a new slide and change the layout to blank. Then go to Insert, Table, and enter a 6x5 table. Then reposition it like this and scale it up to fill the entire slide. Then select all the cells, click on pen color and change it to white. Then go to borders and change the borders to inside borders. Then go to shading and click on no fill. Now it will most likely look like a completely blank slide, but we're gonna transform this. So now insert the picture of your choice. Then right-click the image and click on Send to Back. Now, select these 6 cells, go to Table Design, and change the shading to white. Now, repeat this for a few other individual cells. Then go over to Insert, click on Text Box, and add the text for your title. Then insert another text box for your byline. And just like that, your stylized title slide is complete. So if you did find this video helpful or useful, make sure to like and subscribe to stay up to date with video tutorials, tips, and tricks on PowerPoint. Stay tuned.